Ya ke Meghalaya media meet ke Nyngkong la Pynlong dak sorkar jelah ne kesngi ha ke ni ke nongba Halor ke Phang ke Jingbatai Thymmai ya ke kam thok khubor ha ke digital. Ha ke ni ke program Menteri Rangba ke jelah konret sangma ulapen benai ke song pisa ke besilak tengka marwai na ke bentakin riumut ke nong thok khubor bala kham rangba ke bala syak pen kup buram lingba ke Chief Minister Special Grant. Hakan ni kesngi lapen kup buram ru ia ki prangut ke nong thok khubor barang ba na ke jelah. Habakran kini kesngi Menteri Rangba ke jelah konret sangma ula khot ikinong thok khubor ban tre ha ke jingla jongki bat ban pin bha shu yaka da ke jing start jong ke juk minta bat ke jing ki ke juk start Thymmai. Kam hashwa na kaliang ke Menteri Ketana Information and Public Relations ke Dr. Amprin Lingdo kalaong baki brio ki hak ban tip ya ke jing don kam ya ke social media.
They've made the challenges they've overcome. So I would like to announce that every single senior journalist who has been felicitated today from my Chief Minister's Special Grant, I will be giving an amount of 1 lakh rupees to each of the senior journalists who are felicitated today from Chief Minister's Special Grant.
I feel privileged that I was guided by faculty, by colleagues who gave us a strong foundation on how can we use the tool of the media to help community rather than to condemn or to mimic or to make fun of someone in the community.